Today, we're diving deep into network marketing, the promises, the hype, the reality, and yes, the failures. We're going to talk about top earners in network marketing, the so-called gurus who flash checks in cars and call it passive income MLM. We'll break down the MLM income claims, those wild stories about firing your boss in 90 days, and we'll dig into whether you can actually learn how to make passive income with MLM or if these are just recycled MLM strategies that never work for 97% of people. And yes, I'll address the anti-MLM movement, the cries of MLM scam, and why so many MLM fails end in frustration. But here's the thing. I don't want to just talk about the problem. I want to introduce you to the solution we've been working on for quite some time now. So watch to the end to find out our solution. This is a brand new category for the network marketing industry. This is not theory. This is tested, refined, proven, and now ready to help people who are tired of not making money with network marketing. Let's start with the reality. The idea of network marketing is beautiful on paper. Residual income, duplication, leverage. But what happens in real life? The top earners in network marketing, the 1%, maybe 3%, they make incredible money. They post those big amounts of money, the lifestyle, the dream. But if you look closer, most of their success doesn't come from product sales. It comes from recruiting, from building massive downlines, from being early in the game. That's why people are sold the dream of passive income MLM. And then they see MLM income claims, like 10K months, retire early, freedom lifestyle. But ask yourself, how many people actually learn how to make passive income with MLM? The sad truth, very few. Most people are handed a couple of outdated MLM strategies. Make a list of your 100 friends, spam your Facebook, host a hotel meeting. And when those fail, they feel like they failed. That's where anti-MLM voices get louder, shouting, MLM scam! And guess what? They're not entirely wrong. Because for most people, it does feel like a scam when they give everything and end up with nothing. And let's be real. Most people in MLM experience MLM fails long before they experience success. They struggle to recruit, they struggle to duplicate, they struggle to keep people from quitting. And eventually, they end up quitting. But what if the problem isn't the dream? It's the system, where they win and you lose. What if the idea of freedom and leverage is real? But the vehicle, the way network marketing has been done for decades, is broken. That's why we created the Powerline Team Building Engine. We've spent hundreds of hours researching, testing, and perfecting this. We studied the failures, the attrition, the sponsor struggles, and we engineered a new way forward. And today, I'm finally ready to share it with you. This system has 3 core components: the Powerline Payout System, the Money Train, the Marketing Academy. Together, these 3 pillars solve the biggest problems in MLM: team duplication, retention, and real income growth. Let's break the 3 core components down. The Powerline Payout System. Here's the first piece, the Powerline Payout System. The number 1 problem in MLM is people quitting before they make money. The Powerline Payout System flips that on its head by helping even brand new people see results quickly. It's designed to reward action and activity inside a network marketing team building environment. It takes the stress off the sponsor more pressure, and instead creates confidence. This ties directly into MLM sponsoring, but here's the difference. Instead of begging, chasing, or spamming, the system helps people naturally attract and sponsor new teammates. It's psychology plus automation plus proven math. The money train. The second piece is what we call the money train. If you've ever struggled to keep your team motivated, you know how fast momentum can die. People sign up, they're excited, and then 2 weeks later, they ghost you. The money train is designed to prevent that. It's built for retention. It creates forward movement that never stops. And that's the difference between failure and success. This is where the real network marketing success tips and MLM success tips come alive. Because momentum is everything. If your team's moving, they're staying. If they're staying, they're producing. And if they're producing, everybody wins. The Marketing Academy. The third piece is the Marketing Academy. Look, if you've ever wondered, what are the best network marketing team building strategies? How do I actually build a network marketing team that grows without me babysitting? The answer is education. The Marketing Academy is packed with MLM sponsoring secrets, step-by-step systems that teach you exactly how to build a team in network marketing. It's where you'll learn the insider skills that the 3% use. branding, duplication, lead generation strategies, funnels, storytelling, and automation. This is where people start stacking wins. And when wins stack, you create real network marketing success stories. Not hype, not fake checks, but actual stories of people building income, building freedom, and finally winning inside this profession. So let's bring this all together. We know network marketing has a reputation problem. We know that for decades, only the top earners in network marketing have really tasted the dream. They built teams, they leveraged MLM passive income, and they rode the wave while most people struggled. But we also know that this doesn't mean the dream is fake. It just means the model is broken. That's why the Powerline Team Building Engine exists. It's about more than money. It's about rewriting the playbook. It's about giving everyday people the tools, the systems, and the strategies to finally succeed. So if you've ever been burned, if you've ever felt the pain of MLM fails, if you've ever wanted to quit but still believe in freedom, this is your shot. Because with the Powerline Team Building Engine, with the Powerline Payout System, the Money Train, and the Marketing Academy, you now have the full roadmap to success. No more guessing, no more hype. Just real systems, real duplication, and real results. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below if this resonates with you. Please share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And make sure to click the link in the description to get full access to the Powerline Team Building Engine. This is your time. This is your chance. And I cannot wait to welcome you inside.